Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's makeup time. Let's rock this office Christmas party makeup look. But first lenses क्योंकि उसके बिना कुछ नहीं दिखता. Maybelline Fit Me. Darker shade of concealer. Lighter shade of concealer on my eyelid. Peach. It's completely broken. And one is from Chambord. I love this one, and I'm also going to apply this one. I'm wearing a black dress, and the reason I did light eyes was because I want to wear red lipstick. So I'm going with a high coverage foundation because it's a party. This kind of effect only comes with a brush like this. Laura Mercier. So berry blushes looks really good on our skin, but I don't have a berry blush, so let's use lipstick. Awesome blossom. Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter. Careful not to put on your pimple. I'm going to be using lashes also today. So I'll lightly apply mascara. This is part of me with lashes. And here's the final look with hair, makeup and dress.